Hi, I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet. Today I want to talk to you about shower drains, particularly what we call linear drains. And this is an example of a linear drain. You may have noticed in your shower, if you have a conventional shower pan, that you have a lot of little small tiles on the floor. That's because small tiles are required to conform to the slope of the pan. An ordinary shower pan won't take large tiles. But see, something's happening in bathrooms now. Same thing that's happening elsewhere in the house. People are looking for more open kinds of plans. And they're looking for showers that maybe allow you to continue the floor tile in the bathroom right into the shower without having to transition to small tiles. Well, a linear drain goes in an essentially flat shower pan that gets tilted toward one wall. So all the water is going to drain on that slope right to the linear drain. It allows you to take the same large tiles that you're using on the bathroom floor and run them right into the shower. This is particularly important if you're dealing with elderly people and you want to have an ADA compliant shower that allows you to roll a wheelchair in, and you want to avoid having a curb separating the shower from the bathroom floor. Linear drains come in all different styles and colors and finishes. It's a great way to make your shower contemporary and give you that nice open feel in the bathroom by eliminating the traditional shower curb. So if you have the opportunity and your bathroom will permit it, talk to your plumber and talk to your contractor about using a linear drain in your shower. Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile and Hardwoods.